Welcome back to my Sunday nighttime routine, Get Unready with me. Okay, guys, it's been a long day when I did this. This was on Sunday, and now this is the voiceover. I hope you guys like these. Let me know what you guys think in the comments if you enjoy me doing a voiceover on Wednesday nights, and then a Sunday night that Get Unready with me. Like every Sunday, I will be doing this, and maybe every other week, I'll add something to my new routine. Okay, I've been using this daily. Okay, so I got this Dear Cloud oil pore cleansing, and let me tell you, I'm obsessed with it. It takes off everything. I mean everything. Your makeup, sebum, the oil of the day, dirt. Like, I'm obsessed. When you do oil cleanse, make sure you do it for 5 minutes. 5 minutes. You will see the difference each day, like how much it cleans your pores. I'm obsessed. I've been using it for a month now, and my skin is also glowing. And I know people are skeptical on oil cleansing, if it works or not. It does. Just look at how amazing my skin looks right there. I did in the side cleanse my face with CeraVe, and this is my new favorite toy. Oh my god, I'm obsessed. There's different colors, but I end up going for the red. It just the minute I put it on, guys, it just calms my skin. I just wanted to show you guys the different colors because I'm just obsessed. So yes, I definitely recommend red light therapy. Leave it on for 10 and 15 minutes. Work your way up to the 15 minutes. So then, 1 week, 5 minutes, the next week, 10 minutes. And then I wrap my hair in a Tubi. You can get these at Sally's Beauty or any close beauty store around your home. I actually learned this method from Farrah Pink. If you follow her on Instagram, she wraps it around. I used to put in the bobby pins, but I never was able to do it. And this way is just like the same thing. You just like, twist the tubi around counterclockwise, and it ends up just working, you know? You need to like set it though, for sure. As you can see, I'm like struggling. And then I use these mermaid crease clips. You can get these off Amazon or as well as Ulta Beauty. Okay, hear me out. The TikTok girlies were right. Using Aquaphor at night, my skin when I wake up looks like it's like not to be dramatic, like Edward Cullen from Twilight. Like, I'm here all night, folks. I crack myself up. But yes, Aquaphor is a game changer. Like, also, if you want your feet to look amazing and moisturized, use Aquaphor and then wrap your feet with socks or plastic wrap. I don't really like that. I feel like it's weird. It's like a texture thing, so I'll just wrap it in warm fuzzy socks at night, and best believe skin your face and your feet in the morning look amazing. And then I'll do a light gua sha with just using my hands. Like, if you don't have the tool, I start off with just like using my hands as the tool for my neck and my cheeks, and then I'll just like wake up my skin. Apparently that's like a thing. Like, I saw that also on TikTok. I'm just happy that they didn't ban TikTok. That's why I'm talking about TikTok so much. Because everybody knows we've learned all so much from TikTok. TikTok was like, how can I describe this? Like, when COVID happened, it was like our peace. That's how we all connected. And it's like we were like just ripped out of our communities again. All right, and then enough of the, sad drama. But in a way, it's for real. I will wrap my hair in a silk bonnet. You can get these also at Sally's Beauty. I got this one actually in Target. I do my yoga stretches right after this. I highly recommend doing yoga at night. You will have the best sleep of your life, I promise you. And that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this voiceover from Sunday night's routine. And I love you guys. Hope you have the best night ever. And sleep well. Wherever you are, rest, take care of yourself, and dare to choose you.